Hello all, welcome to daily tutorials. So last videos we saw about how to read CSV file and convert to data frame. So in this video we will see how to write data frame to CSV file. So that's what. So today I just open the same uh, notebook. So here I'm going to create a section. So just create a section and just putting as a title uh, like CSV file. So we already have a data frame. So I'm going to check the type of data frame df. So you can see this is a pandas data frame. So first we have to convert to data frame, then we have to write to CSV. So I have already having the df data frame. Now I'm going to convert this data frame to CSV file. So for that, so we have to the format syntax of it. So data frame followed by 2 underscore CSV, then just put a parenthesis and give the path. So here I'm going to give this path. So I'm copying some example path. I'm pasting here. Now I'm just replacing it with some name like df.csv. So that is the name I'm going to give. So here I'm just putting this uh, in a string format. So just click and give single quotes. So now I'm going to uh, execute this cell. So once you executed, you can see, you just refresh this folder. So after refreshing, I can find my df.csv, so created under the sample data. The same way we can convert data frame to a pickle format. So I'm just copying the same line and paste it here, and instead of CSV I'm going to put as a pickle. So here instead of CSV I will put a pickle format. So now I am going to execute it. So now this line also executed. So I'm going to refresh the folder. So you can see the pickle format also created here. So I'm just opening CSV file. So you can double click and open. You can see the exact file that we have read as CSV, then we have converted. Uh, so the data frame that we have read is converted to CSV file, so that we are going to see. So pickle format we can't able to show here because it is in different format that Google Colab doesn't support. So still we can read this pickle using a read pickle data frame. So using a pandas function we can read. So it is the same process how we did for read CSV. So that's all about today, and thank you for watching. See you next video.